Installing the center console storage shelf is very simple. All we do is tilt up, slide into the storage space, push in, and then back. The storage shelf seats along 3 flanges on the side and the back, and we're installed. You'll also note that the storage door closes and opens with absolutely no problem. The advantages of the storage shelf really go to the depth of the OEM storage box. You'll notice that it is really very deep. The problem is if you take small items and throw them into the storage box, they kind of get lost and buried at the bottom. The storage shelf allows us easy access to small items like pens or mints or earbuds or keys. This allows us to grab onto them quickly and easily with no problem. If we need something at the bottom of the storage box, we simply pull out the shelf, reach in, get what we need, and when we're done with it, replace the storage shelf. Close the door, and we're good to go. Installing the center console storage shelf with wireless charging is also quite simple, but it does require a few more steps. You'll note that the wireless charging pad sits below this rubber anti-slide surface, and in fact we also have a USB cable that needs to be plugged in, and very importantly, based on recent Tesla updates, we need a data blocker on that USB cable so that the wireless charging, the QI charger, works properly. The first thing we need to do is simply to thread the USB cable back toward the USB port in the rear of either a Model X or a Model S. So we just simply push it back through like this. Once the USB cable is threaded through, we then simply plug it into the USB port and we're good to go. Do not remove the data blocker. If you do so, the wireless charging will not work appropriately. Once the USB is plugged into place, we can close that cap and simply slide in the center console storage shelf, and you are done.